So hi guys, today's video is all about playing a YouTube video without distractions. So here we have a YouTube video, and in the YouTube interface we can, while watching the video, we have a lot of distractions, like there will be video suggestions, and also there will be a lot of comments which will be inappropriate, which may be inappropriate. Also the suggestions sometimes can cause distractions. If we view on this mode also, like distractions are there, so better just copy the URL, and here we have the URL, and just go into viewpure.com. so this is a website which allows us to watch YouTube videos without any distractions. And here it is the interface. We can see all these options here, a lot of guidelines to understand how to use this website. And just go here, these options, you can paste the URL here, and you can convert this. So here we have two options. Just click on the settings option. So viewpure.com/, so you can create a custom URL from this YouTube URL, so that you can remember easily. So I'm just typing some word here which is very easy to remember. So my video, I'm just typing channel video. Okay, so this is a video in my channel. So I can give a password also here, like I'm just typing madlookzVFX as my password. Okay, also we have some other options here, start time, end time. So if you want to customize your video duration, you can customize here, like you want to play 1 to 5 minutes of the video, you can play that. Now click on this beautify button. That's it. Now your video URL is created, and you can share this URL with anyone, and they can view this video without any distractions. So it is password protected, so anyone who wants to see this video has to type the password. So I'm just typing the password here. Okay, let's type the password. Okay, just click on this unlock. Yep, your video is here without any distractions. So if you want to make use of, just click on here, and now there is no distractions. You can simply play your video while doing any online teaching or training, and it is good to go. So make use of this website, and let me know if anything comes along in the comment section. Thank you.